I'm gonna put some on the inside. Yuck. Ew. Hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Rocked It or Flopped It. We're gonna celebrate Thanksgiving tomorrow, and I am showcasing all of my low carb, sugar free, and keto friendly recipes that I've been making all week. So I was looking for a way to cook my turkey. I found this recipe. It's called Easy Garlic Herb Butter Roasted Turkey, and it's found at wholesomeyum.com. So it looks really good, and I've never used anything like this before, so we're gonna try it. Okay, so I have all of our ingredients out here pre-measured. Well, I'm doing things a little differently. I'm not gonna do the brining because I have to have Thanksgiving served up, ready to go by 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and it is 1:53 a.m. We are burning midnight oil here, so we gotta hurry up. I don't have time to refrigerate and brine this for 10 to 12 hours. So I'm skipping that part altogether. I'm using coconut oil instead of butter, and normally I use butter flavored coconut oil, but I ran out, so I'm just using all regular coconut oil. And then we have sage and rosemary, thyme, garlic, lemon zest. And if you guys don't know how to zest a lemon, you have one of these things and just but it's really hard to do, and it's really a pain, so I have no idea if this is the right amount, but I'm just going with it. And then sea salt and pepper. So all we do is we mix all this together in one bowl. So we're going to give this a good stir. And we've just preheated the oven to 325. All right, now we got to get this on the bird. Okay, so here's our huge turkey. And because I did not brine this before, I'm not going to be able to get under the skin to rub it under. So I'm just going to rub this over the skin, and we'll see how that works. Now, I've never done this before. I mean, I've never prepared a turkey before ever, so I really don't know how this works. But we're just going to give it a nice little massage here. Ooh, it's starting to squeak. This is pretty gross. Pretty messy. Good thing I have gloves on. I'm gonna put some on the inside. Yuck. Ew. Okay. Well, I think now I'm gonna try to flip it over. Oh gosh, this thing is heavy. So that looks pretty good. Okay, so this is the first time I've attempted to stuff a turkey with stuffing. Homemade stuffing, by the way. So I put a cheesecloth all the way up inside the cavity, and I just take handfuls of stuffing and fill it up. And the reason you want to use a cheesecloth, if you've never done this before, is so that it's easier to get it out when the bird is cooked. You just pull on the cloth and the stuffing comes right out, and then you can just transfer that onto its own plate. Alright, so I think that's it. We're going to put this in the oven and see what it turns out like tomorrow.